Ever wondered if the cheerful and playful chimpanzees can turn brutal and dangerous? That's right, we're diving into the lesser-known, darker side of our closest genetic relatives, the chimpanzees. These fascinating creatures, known for their uncanny human-like behaviors and intelligence, are not always as harmless as they appear. Behind those captivating expressive eyes and playful antics hides a potential for brutality that might surprise you. Under certain circumstances, these seemingly gentle beings can transform into formidable adversaries. It's a stark contrast to the image we often associate with these creatures, and it's important to remember that, like us, they too have a range of emotions and reactions. This unseen side of chimpanzees reminds us that they are wild animals, not simply cute, cuddly pets or entertaining movie stars. Their complex social structures, territorial instincts, and survival behaviors can sometimes lead to violent outcomes. Stay tuned to find out about the most brutal chimpanzee attack ever recorded. So, what ignites this drastic change in behavior of these playful creatures, you may wonder? While chimpanzees are often seen as gentle and amusing beings, their behavior can pivot drastically due to a number of factors. Territorial disputes are one of the primary catalysts for their aggressive behavior. Just like humans, chimpanzees are protective of their home turf. When they perceive an invasion by outsiders, their playful demeanor can quickly morph into aggression. Another trigger is the struggle for dominance. Chimpanzees live in hierarchical societies, and power struggles can often lead to violent confrontations. A study published in the American Journal of Primatology found that dominance disputes were a frequent cause of aggressive behavior in chimpanzees. Lastly, perceived threats, real or imagined, can also provoke aggression in these creatures. Anything that makes a chimpanzee feel threatened or scared can turn the normally peaceful primate into a fearsome opponent. Now let's dive into the chilling story of the most brutal chimpanzee attack ever. In 2005, the world was shocked by a gruesome attack that unveiled the dark side of these creatures. The tranquil setting of a Californian animal sanctuary was shattered when two chimpanzees broke out of their enclosure. Triggered by an unknown cause, they charged towards a visitor, an unsuspecting man who had no idea of the impending danger. The attack was swift and brutal. The man suffered extensive injuries, losing both his eyes, nose, and ear, and a chunk of his foot. His hands were severely maimed. The chimpanzees, in their wild frenzy, had exposed their capacity for extraordinary violence. In the aftermath, the sanctuary's reputation was marred, the victim's life forever changed, and the chimpanzees were tragically put down. The incident served as a wake-up call to the world that chimpanzees, despite their human-like qualities and often endearing behavior, can be incredibly dangerous when provoked. This shocking incident left a lasting impression on the world about the potentially dangerous side of chimpanzees. This brutal incident served as a grim reminder of the wild nature of these animals. It's easy to forget that despite their human-like qualities, chimpanzees are still wild creatures. This event underlines the significance of understanding and respecting their inherent wildness. Just as we wouldn't wander into a lion's den, we must exercise the same caution when interacting with these intelligent primates. The lessons learned here are twofold. First, we must remember that no matter how friendly or docile a wild animal may seem, they can be unpredictable. Their actions are governed by instincts, not by human norms or expectations. Second, proper safety measures are crucial when dealing with chimpanzees. This includes maintaining a safe distance, not provoking them, and adhering to guidelines set by wildlife professionals. In the end, it's about coexistence. We must learn to share the world with these remarkable creatures, respecting their space and their nature. Remember, chimpanzees, like any other wild animals, can be unpredictable and potentially dangerous. So, next time you see a chimpanzee, remember there's more to them than meets the eye. These intelligent creatures have a wild side that can be triggered under certain conditions, leading to brutal attacks. It's a stark reminder of the importance of respecting their nature and space. We've learned valuable lessons from such incidents, reminding us to tread lightly in their world. Stay safe, stay informed, and never underestimate the power of the wild.